Hello everybody, this is Terry Fott and I want to show you a pretty cool feature in the Google Apps called Revision History. Revision History can give us this step-by-step play of what's been taking place through the creation of a document or Google Slides. It can also be a place where we can go back to a previous version of our document, even if it's months ago that we created, and restore that revision. So let me show you how this works. If we go up to File and click on File and go down to See Revision History, that'll shift our screen just a little bit to fit in the revision history in the right-hand column. And if I start with my earliest time frame there, we can see that the document was made at 10:46. And at 11 o'clock, it looks like 3 paragraphs have been written. To see a little bit more details behind that 4 minutes worth, I can click on See More Detailed Revisions. And again, just do a quick click-by-click action play. It shows the progress that has been made during each of these time frames. Please note that I have a little green box next to my name. And so the revisions that took place between 10:48 and 10:51 a.m. have been highlighted in green. And anything not highlighted in green was not part of that creation during that time frame. So it color codes for easy vision of what's been going on during that particular moment. So again, one of the other features besides just seeing this step-by-step action play is that we can restore to this revision. And if you're working with a team and somebody from the team deleted a few paragraphs, people might not realize those paragraphs were important until weeks later. On Microsoft Word, if you did a file save, it was history, and what you have is what you get. In Google Docs, you can actually restore this revision and it'll bring those paragraphs back, even if it was months and months and months earlier that they were deleted. So that's pretty helpful. To get back to your editing form, you just click on the arrow on the left-hand corner and it'll take back to the normal screen that you have in Google Docs. I want to show you a couple other examples of using revision history. So looks like the same document. This time I'm going to go to File, See Revision History. So same click flow as last time. I'm going to start here. And again, at 8:29, it looks like the document has just been created. And 8 minutes later, 8:37, it appears as if a few paragraphs have been written. So if I go ahead and click on See More Detailed Revisions, so within 2 minutes, right, started the document at 8:29. At 8:31, I can see that this person, myself, has written 2.5 pages worth with screenshots. That might be a red flag that says that there perhaps is a little copy pasting going on into this document. And so it could be also a helpful way to hold accountability for our students in their work by simply looking at the amount of work that was produced during a certain time frame of being written. Another example that I want to show within the revision history. So again, I'm going to go to File, Revision History. Shifts the screen, puts the revision history in the right-hand column. This time it shows that I have some collaborators within this document, and hopefully that was supposed to be the case here. So I can go into my play-by-play version, and I see that Terry Fott started this, and his team added in purple, because there's a little purple box next to the name, that particular content. And as a teacher, it might be helpful. Terry added another title, IST added a whole nother paragraph, to take a look to see which partners contributed what on the project, the document, the slides. And in this case, I can see that IST added quite a bit more content than Terry Fott, and might need to have some conversations about that. Lastly, I just want to reinforce that it's not just about Google Docs. You can see the revision history on. I just pulled up a Google slide. I'm going to go to File, down to see revision history. And in this case, I can see that I have a couple of different collaborators on here. And if I click on there, it shows that Terry did the purple editing and Joy, you can see a green box here, did that particular editing. And it just gives a little bit more solid understanding of who did what in the slide deck. I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.